When the metal is rare and the stakes are high, people trust Tinita engineers to execute the most challenging jobs in manufacturing capital equipment. Welcome to Tinita Engineers. We don't do what's easy. We do what demands our expertise. Our expertise in manufacturing capital equipment from metals most don't even dare to touch. We're not just known for what we've delivered, but for where we've delivered. With over 3,000 pieces of equipment delivered across 13 plus countries, Tinita's portfolio speaks volumes. From chemical and oil and gas, to petrochemicals, fertilizers, energy, solar, and beyond, our expertise has left an irreplaceable mark across industries where precision and performance are non-negotiable. We've successfully fabricated equipment in some of the most demanding metals of construction, including titanium, tantalum, zirconium, niobium, nickel and nickel alloys, as well as duplex, super duplex, urea-grade alloys, and high-grade stainless steels 316 and above. Tinita's expertise has made us the go-to choice for top industrial giants, both in India and internationally. We've proudly served clients across regions like Africa, Europe, and the GCC countries. Not only do these top companies trust us, but leading TPI and EPC firms also turn to Tinita because they know we deliver excellence every single time. At Tinita, we deliver all of this from our 2 state-of-the-art facilities in Mumbai and Daesh, helping us manufacture over 3,500 metric tons annually. These facilities stand out not just in size, but in the professionalism and meticulous practices we follow. From segregated manufacturing bays to Class 8 clean room environments for critical welding, we take every step of our work very seriously. To support our rapid growth, we've recently acquired new land around our existing Daesh facility, which will increase our total manufacturing capacity from 3,500 metric tons to over 25,000 metric tons. And this is just the beginning. Tinita is ever evolving. Join hands with us and experience what true excellence really feels like.